Hello everyone, welcome to TNWS channel, and in this video we are going to fix call air speaker not working problem in Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro or Note 11 Pro Plus. So before you starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you are first time on this channel. So to fix Redmi Note 11 Pro or Pro Plus air speaker problem, simply first of all just tap on settings and follow every step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.